In this video, I am going to teach you how to unstake Ethereum on Coinbase. If you are ready to move or sell your ETH, unstaking it is the first step. This quick tutorial will guide you through the new Coinbase interface. Let's get started. First, go to coinbase.com and sign in to your account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, head to the My Assets section on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your held and staked assets are displayed. Next, scroll down until you reach the Stake section. Then click on Ethereum from the list. This will bring up your Ethereum staking details. After that, scroll again until you find the Stake or Wrap section and click on See Options. This will show you all available staking actions. Now, in the list of options, click Unstake Eth 2. Coinbase may prompt you to confirm the request or verify your identity. And that's how you unstake Ethereum on Coinbase. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more crypto tutorials.